Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about Bitcoin, what's going on, when are we going to see a rebound. I'm going to also talk about, to give you an analysis on Ethereum, but also we're going to talk about the stock market because there is so much to say right now. Guys, of course, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates about this crazy cryptocurrency market. Guys, I'm going to go straight away into Bitcoin and show you what I think it can be happening right now. Yesterday, we were saying we were expecting a rebound with BTC. And as you can see from here, we were roughly at $55,000, $56,000. We called for the bottom, we called for the rebound, and we had a beautiful pump yesterday up to roughly $59,000. My idea would have been that we were going to go up to roughly 60 to 61,000, so we went short by $1,000. And of course, guys, our VIP members from the VIP group made a crazy amount of gains. Look at this. This is incredible. Look at, guys, the results he made yesterday, 61%. 17, 30%. Look at this. That was incredible. And straight away, once we saw weakness into the market, people like Shellcat, Sakis as well, they all went short of the market and made money again, guys. So if you want to really have proper analysis of Bitcoin really in details, like this one over here, every single day, of BTC, of altcoins. You want to also have trading calls, when to buy, when to sell. Like for example, here this morning we long Bitcoin, made money already. If you want to be part of a community of professional traders, like-minded trader with a passion of crypto, you can chat to them. You can have trading calls. You can have a Bitcoin, altcoin analysis, stock market analysis, guys. You need to join the VIP group. So link in the description below. But let's catch us at the chase now. Let's go back into BTC. So at the moment, guys, I'm going to go straight away with the daily chart and show you what I think it can be happening right now. I believe, guys, that still we are due for a bigger rebound than what we saw yesterday. And right now, Bitcoin is fluctuating between $57,000, $56,000. So what I can see right now, as I explained last time, we have a very important level over here of liquidity, which is also called the golden pocket area. You can see at $55,200, we could be seeing maybe one last drop to go down to this area, but then I'm expecting a rebound of a bigger entity. So I'm talking about maybe something until this line over here of diagonal line of resistance. So you can see that we tapped this level over here, we tapped this level over here, and now what I'm expecting is going to be to tap again around this level, which is sitting right now at $61,000. So you can see maybe in the next few days, once Bitcoin is going to find its low, might go down in around this area, around 55,000 to 56,000, and then what we're going to be seeing a nice pump to the upside. And then, of course, we will have to see what's going to be happening over here, because if you're going to have a rejection from this level, there is a high chance we could be continuing to go down, probably down to here at 52,000, 50,000 before seeing another pump to the upside. But if we're going to be able to break this level, retest successfully this area, then we could be seeing a continuation on the pump up to roughly $68,000. Guys, the reason why I don't give you this bullish permabull post scenario of we're going to go to the moon to $100,000 is because usually what we do, we day trade. So we swing trade, we look at the short-term volatility with Bitcoin and altcoins, and that's why things can change lots of times. So that's why you have to be all the time up to date. You need to be in the VIP group because that's what we do every single day. So you have so many opportunities every single day to make money, to make 10% a day, 20% a day, whatever you can make. I'm also going to show you a little bit more intraday what's going on right now, which I also explained to my members, guys. So at the moment, as you can see, we are pretty much into a channel, into the descending channel. This is the first level of the channel over here, second level of the channel. So what I usually do, right? I don't really care about this like short-term volatility unless I'm scalping, but at the moment, what I want to see Bitcoin before opening a position to be able to go at least up to this area or down to this area over here. And then I'm going to decide, what I'm going to do. But let's say, for example, that today the stock market is going to have a sell-off and the Bitcoin is going to follow. Then my area of interest to open a short position and to buy BTC is going to be probably around this area over here at 55,000, 55,500. Why? Because once we're going to go into this upper bound of this channel over here, the most likelihood is going to be a rebound at least to this area over here, which in that case, if I open a long position, I'm going to be in profit, and then I can put my stop loss from here. So if it does this again, I'm going to be safe and I'm not going to lose any money. That's how professional traders think, guys. They don't think about making 200% every day. They make 10%, 20%, and they get out very quickly from a trade. So that's it for Bitcoin, guys. That's what I can see right now. But as I said before, looks like we are due for a nice rebound coming very soon. There is so much indicators and data telling us that we're going to see a nice rebound, especially over here. You can see the market just is grinding down very, very slowly. And also you can see the RSI pointing upwards, showing what we call a bullish divergence over here, which is in general, this is a bullish sign. So once we're going to be able to break this channel, break from here, we should be able to go up to this area at roughly $62,000, even as high as I showed you before, maybe $67,000 to $68,000. Let's also have a look, guys, at the liquidity heat map as well. Very important. You can see that there is lots of short position right now sitting at $59,000, like, around this area over here. And what I'm expecting is that market makers eventually they're gonna go and take those shorts. And what it means that we need to understand which level are they gonna go to before. So are they gonna go down to 56K straight away? Are they gonna go down to here, 55K, and then they're gonna pump it up, or are they gonna go first? Roughly around here at $58.8, $59,000. There is a specific reason why they could go high here, and also another reason why they should go around this area. But of course, we discuss all of this in the VIP group. Now, guys, look about Ethereum right now. Ethereum is, in my opinion, one of the coins with the best risk to reward. You can see that right now on the daily has been bashed continuously, is almost forming what we call a double bottom. Double bottom is this shape where you can see, I'm going to show you very quickly from here. You can see it had a drop from here. We had a try to go up again. It's forming another, I would say, trying to go to this low again. And then what I really would like to see is going to be a break of the structure over here and then go up to this area. If this happens, we should be able to go back to this area here. But also, guys, with Ethereum, bear in mind that we are into a downtrend. You can see, like, for all these lines over here, and what it could be the expectation. The expectation is going to be a bounce around this area over here, around this box over here. We're going to be seeing this. And then what do you have to do is going to be to be able to break this line of resistance from here. So once we're going to be able to break this line of resistance, then I can really see Ethereum to go and to the next area of resistance, which is roughly at $3,000, $2,100, $3,000. If we're going to be able to break that, then the next one is going to be probably at $4,000. That's the way that you have to think. You don't go straight away, oh, I think that is going to go to 2,000, 4,000. You have to work level by level. I'm also going to go intraday with Ethereum. You can see that right now, we are into this channel again, very, very easy to understand as well. And some people probably will argue we are into more of a rising, into a falling wedge in this case over here, which I might, agree as well. But very, very similar to what we said before. If Bitcoin is going to go down maybe one more time to $56,000, $55,000, Ethereum could also follow and go back maybe around 2,250 to 2,300. But again, in my opinion, looking at the data, I can see that if this happens, that's going to be a very good buying opportunity, because once we're going to be able to break, which we will break from this wedge over here, then at the breaking point, then I can really see a forceful movement to the upside. So if you bought over here, sell, let's say, for example, over here, that's going to be a very good gain for you and for your altcoins. Now, the last thing I want to discuss today, guys, very important as well, is the stock market, the S&P 500, which right now, as we explained yesterday, and I told so many people before, we pretty much were going to correct, that's what I said, down to probably this level over here, golden pocket area, similar to Bitcoin. So what I could be seeing that we had a nice break to the upside from here. Now pretty much the S&P 500 is retesting this area over here, sitting at 5,350, $3,400. So that's what I'm interested in right now, will be to see if we're going to be able to bounce from this level over here and then have a continuation, or are we going to break and then go up again. So in my, I will say, opinion, that's what's going to be happening. We're going to probably go down around this area over here, 5,400, 5,350, and then we should see continuation to the upside. And if this is the case, guys, I could see Bitcoin to have further sell off maybe for the next 1 day or two. And you can see even from here, connecting this point over here, this line of support here to this line as well, we can see that to maintain this uptrend intact, we just have to go and retest this area here on the golden pocket to be able to go and continue to the upside, because otherwise if that breaks, that is going to be quite painful, because the next level of support is going to be roughly down to here, which is at $4,800. And if that happens, then Bitcoin, of course, could have a massive sell-off. So guys, I really hope this was helpful. If you have a question, of course, leave a comment down below, but otherwise, don't forget to subscribe. We post one video every single day, advanced technical analysis. And of course, if you have a question, leave in a comment below. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video.